Hi and welcome to my PlayHouse and to the Datacenter. So today I'm gonna be cashing out because I don't know if you have noticed it, but it's a weird time. We have actually had RAM prices go up, and that has also included old RAM, which usually always just descends in price. Today I actually want to take the RAM out of my my lovely Lenovo SR650, because I have noticed that RAM is worth considerably more than the rest of the server. I'm gonna be putting in a little bit less RAM. I have some blocks here. These are DDR4 RAM, but they are 16 gigabyte blocks. So I think I'm gonna end up with something like 96 gigabytes of memory, which is okay for a server for my home use. I think I will manage for a little bit. I think I'll be able to buy that RAM back cheaper in the future. I think this bubble is gonna burst within 3 months or something. My crystal ball is as clouded as yours, so I have no idea if that's gonna be true or if it's gonna bite me in the ass, but I think so, and I think I can live with 96 gigabytes of memory for a long time before it will become a problem. So we're gonna have a look at this server. Here it is, the lovely Lenovo SR650. This is a 2 CPU server. It runs the Intel Xeon processors. This server has a few years on the back already, so it's actually quite affordable by now. I saw these servers at like 400-500 euros, which is just about as much as each of the RAM blocks that are inside. This server has 512 gigabytes of RAM, which means that it has 8 64 gigabyte blocks in there. So those are the blocks that I want to take out. So let's just do it the hard way and just turn it off. It's not the nice way. There we are. So I didn't have anything running on this. It had Proxmox on it, but there were no virtual machines. So there's nothing in there that will hate me for this, except the operating system. And I'm actually curious what hard drives I have in here. Spinning disk, 4 terabyte. Okay, so the next one is probably the same. And that one is this is a 1.92 terabyte SSD. Okay, SSDs probably not exactly like this, but they have also gone up in price to like ridiculous. I did a little bit of research before I started this video because I was curious how close the RAM prices was on the gold prices, and I found out that a gram of gold is 125 euros. And I measured the weight of a RAM block, a DDR4 RAM block, and it was 17 grams. So if we just say 16 grams, then the RAM block would cost like 2,000 euros if it was comparable with the price of gold. It does not do that. Well, if you have DDR5 RAM, this server uses DDR4 RAM. DDR5 RAM is very near the price of gold, or nearer the price of gold, especially if you have some big blocks. These blocks, 64 gigabyte blocks, they're like 1/5 the price of gold. So yeah, blah blah blah. I'll go around the back and I'll disconnect the server. Server is off, it's no longer blinking, so now we should be able to pull it out. Clickety clickety click. I did check on the XCC before I started this to know what RAM was in here, because I didn't want to pull it out and figure out that it was nothing worth selling. So open sesame. There's not much to see yet, but the RAM is located over here together with the CPU. There is more than 8 blocks in here. How did I miscalculate that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, but it's not bad. That means that there is more money in this. So 12 times, that's 768 gigabytes of RAM, and these are very nice Lenovo RAM blocks. 64 gigabyte DDR4 RAM right there. So we're gonna take those out. That means that, oh, that's good. That means that the 6 blocks that I have is gonna do fine. So I have been online and I've checked the prices of these RAM blocks, and a RAM block like this goes for, well, mainstream they go for 400 euros used. If you're gonna go to a reseller that sells these professional, you're gonna pay more like 800 euros for one of these. You can be very extremely lucky on eBay and find RAM blocks. I found some all the way down to 200 euros, but there weren't a lot of them, and most of the time you can get, like, someone will have 1 RAM block and it will be 300 euros. If you want like 12 blocks that are equal and in a set, you will pay at least 400 euros for a RAM block like this. So that means that the server, which is about, the server without RAM is like 500 euros, and each of these are 400 euros. So 12 times 4 is 4,800 euros worth of memory in this server right now, and that is considerably more than I ever paid for this RAM. So therefore I'm gonna cash out on it, see if I can sell this. So this is the oh, it's the top of the lid. Usually this is the back of the lid of the server. They have they put this on the top. That's never mind. There is memory, that's help for memory configuration over here. And if you have like if you have 1 CPU, you put them in this order. If you have 2 CPUs, you put them in this order. So I'm gonna be putting in 5, 17, 8, 20, 3, 15, 10, 22. That's about it, isn't it? That was actually 2 RAM blocks too many, but I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 15 is gonna be the last one. So yeah, I'll do that. Okay, that is in. 2 here, 1 there, 2 here, 1 there. That's how the manual says that it has to go in, and that is to hit the memory bus in the most beneficial way. So let's put the cover back on. So 16 times 6 should be 96 gigabytes of memory. Oh. Oh. Okay, I have put power back on the server and it's blinking nicely. It's booting up the management module in there, the XCC. So let's turn the server on, and I have a screen over here that I do believe that I also turned on. Yep. So we will very soonly see if the server sees the right amount of memory. Otherwise it's a redo. So right now it's initializing the memory. I forget if it writes it here how much it found. That would be very efficient of it if it did that. Just boop, that much memory is done, and nothing yet. Now it's initializing something else. There we are. 96 gigabytes of memory detected. Nice, 2 CPUs. All is good. It's going to be booting Proxmox, and yeah, very nice. Okay, Proxmox is up and running with quite a bit less RAM. Actually, you can get like 96 gigabyte RAM block today. Just one block that is 96 gigabytes. It's a weird size, but yeah, it's available. So here are the RAM blocks that we took out. 12 of them. I thought there were only 8 in there. I don't know how I thought that, but yeah, I'm not disappointed. That's like, there's 4 in each of them, so that is an extra 1,600 euros of RAM. The prices has just gone up to ridiculous. I also found a couple of 16 gigabytes DDR4 RAM. Yeah, this must be near silver prices, so yeah. I'm gonna see if I can sell some of this, and it's like this is almost like investing. You have something that has been, yeah, this doesn't pay dividends, so you have to sell it when the price is high. Weird times. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. I don't think we will ever see RAM rise in price, and at the moment it seems to be worth more than it was when it was new out of the factory. So as said, I'm gonna try and see if I can't cash out on this, and then I'm gonna buy in later when the RAM drops again, and I believe it's gonna go that way. It always does, but right now it's very, very, very expensive. So well, why not help the market and make a little. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again. If you sell out some RAM, do tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear how you cashed out. Have a nice day. Bye bye.